and welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm the publisher, Lindy Hewson, and this week's bulletin is brought to you by Curry Group. Making headlines this week, Planet Protector Packaging has signed a nationwide partnership agreement with ASX-listed Pro-Pac Packaging, PPG, as exclusive Australian distributor for the Woolpack range of cold chain packaging solutions. Now, PPG supplies a wide range of products and services into the FMCG, agriculture and pharma industry segments, among others, across Australia and in global markets, which made it a natural fit for Planet Protector, which targets the food, seafood and pharmaceutical industries. And by the way, Planet Protector's latest commercialized development, the Vaccine Protector solution, is a finalist in the ANZ 2021 Packaging Innovation and Design Awards in both the Sustainability and Health, Beauty and Wellness categories. On to some news from global packaging giant Amcor, which has made its first corporate venture type investment to the tune of $15 million in ePac flexible packaging. ePac is a high-growth startup operating in the short run-length digital printing segment for flexible packaging. The investment includes a minority ownership interest in ePac Holdings and funding for one or more ePac sites. With 16 sites fully operational and 5 more currently underway, ePac serves thousands of customers around the globe and generates annual revenues of approximately $100 million. News from another startup, Australian company Great Wrap has developed a certified home compostable plastic wrap alternative using food waste instead of oil-based derivatives and has now set up shop in its new solar-powered facility in Melbourne. Co-founded in 2020 by husband and wife duo Geordie and Julia Kay, Great Wrap aims to provide a fix for household waste challenges by diverting food waste from landfill and converting it into the main raw material for its wrap. Now, according to the company, the cling wrap is made mostly from material derived from potato waste, while the remaining materials are all certified compostable. The company is working towards making the raw materials locally, but currently works with a company offshore that extracts the starch and turns it into biopolymer for Great Wrap to use. The company says its film wrap can break down into carbon and water when placed in a compost pile in less than 180 days. Turning waste into opportunities, we need more of that. And that's what we heard as we attended this week the first event in the 4R Research Hubs conference series, which focused on sustainable packaging and highlighted how Australia has been moving forward, and also the gaps and challenges remaining for us to meet our targets. The message echoed by many of the speakers, the industry leaders there, but driven home by Pierre Pienaar, the World Packaging Organization president, was this: we cannot take a passive approach anymore. We need to be implementing closed-loop systems, developing a circular economy, while also making sure we are also improving our recovery systems. And finally, there's been a major breakthrough in HDPE milk bottle recycling. An event hosted by the New South Wales Smart Sensing Network this week in Sydney delivered a full debrief on how a $1.5 million smart sensing project will enable recycling companies to produce 100% recycled high-density polyethylene by eliminating the label adhesive contaminant that currently remains on the plastic flakes when HDPE milk bottles are recycled. Now, Labelmakers Group, Bega, Lactalis and Saputo are industry players involved in a collaboration with researchers from 3 leading universities in New South Wales to bring to fruition a project that will ultimately enable recycling companies to produce 100% recycled HDPE. The project has been 4 years in the making and has seen the development of some exciting world-first technologies. You can head to our website, packagingnews.com.au, to find out more about the patent-pending technologies that have been developed, the plans for industrial scale-up, and the involvement of all the players in this very important and significant collaboration. Well, that's all we have time for today, folks. As ever, thanks for your attention. That's it from me, Lindy Hewson, signing off for another week.